In a city where innovation meets tradition, one name has stood the test of time. Since 1952, Shama Radio Service has been a pioneering force in Karachi, Pakistan, delivering top-tier audio-visual solutions to our community. But today, we embark on a new chapter. We are proud to announce that Shama Radio Service is now Audio-Visual Plus. With our decades of expertise and commitment to excellence, Audio-Visual Plus continues the legacy of quality and innovation that began over 70 years ago. From audio solutions that resonate with clarity to visual technologies that captivate, Audio-Visual Plus is your trusted partner in enhancing every experience. Join us as we redefine possibilities in audio-visual excellence. Welcome to Audio-Visual Plus, where innovation meets tradition.